So my battery died twice this morning. And I came to Walmart to get a replacement battery. And I wasn't sure the car would start, so I parked it on a hill, and the only hill I could find is over there. So my car's up on a hill next to these construction devices. And I don't think I got a ticket, but we'll just have to see. And here we are. This is a view from like the highest point in Indianapolis. Guy down there doing some work. It's good. There's the freeway. Here's the car and no ticket.